Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone Bluetooth not connecting after updating to iOS 17. So guys, Bluetooth issues after an update can be quite annoying. So if you're also facing the Bluetooth not connecting, don't worry, I will tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to do is restart your Bluetooth. Turn off your Bluetooth by going to control centers and turn off it and wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issue. To turn off your iPhone, go to your settings, then tap on General, scroll down, then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone, then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. To restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is forget and reconnect that Bluetooth device. Go to your Bluetooth, simply tap on this eye icon, tap on Forget this device, tap on Forget, and then again repair it and see if the issue is solved or not. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is toggle your airplane mode on and off. Toggle on airplane mode in the setting in the control center, then wait for a few seconds and then again disable it. After this and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS version. iOS updates often include bug fixes and improvement that may be address connectivity issue. You have to go to your general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After this, then you have to do is check for any interference. Other electronic devices and Wi-Fi networks can interfere with Bluetooth signals. Try moving away from potential source of interference. After checking this all and trying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue again and again and your Bluetooth is not connecting, then you have to do is reset network settings. This will reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, so you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and pair your devices again. To do this, simply you have to go to your channel, then scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.